Good morning, everyone. Children, I'm Shalu Bhardwaj from Springfield Public School, your maths teacher. We are doing chapter number 2, linear equations in one variable. Now, exercise 2.6 will start today. Question number 1, 8x minus 3 upon 3x is equals to 2. Now, we have to find out the value of x. Now, in these types of questions, we have another method to solve. Will cross multiply. Here nothing is here, so you can write it 1, means will cross multiply these 8x minus 3 will be multiplied by 1, so the result will be same, and other side this 3x will go with the numerator and multiply by this, so this will be 6x. So we have this equation 8x minus 3 is equals to 6x. Now we have to solve this. 8x minus 6x is equals to 3. So 2x is equals to 3. So the value of x will be 3 upon 2. Second and third part are just similar to the first one. Now question number 4, that you have to do it yourself, you have to try. Now question number 4, 3y plus 4 upon 2 minus 6y, that is equals to minus 2 upon 5. Now we have to solve this. Same way, cross multiplication we have to do. So 5 will be multiplied by 3y plus 4, and this side minus 2 minus 6y. Now 15y plus 20 is equals to minus 4 plus 12y. Now 15y minus 12y will transpose. Now minus 4 minus 20. We'll take this 20 towards other side and this 12 towards left hand side. Now this will be 3y is equals to minus 24. Now y is equals to minus 24 upon 3. So this will be minus 8. So the answer of this question is minus 8. Now fifth question, that is similar to the question number 4. You have to try it yourself. Now next question, question number 6, problem sum. The ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, means after 4 years, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. So we have to find out their present ages. So we'll assume that let Hari's present age. Ratio is given, so we'll assume 5x, and Harry's present age will be, that will be 7x. Now he says after 4 years, Hari's age will be 5x plus 4 years, and Harry's age will be 7x plus 4, means in their present ages we'll add 4 years. Now according to question, now he says the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. 5x plus 4 upon 7x plus 4, that is 3 upon 4. Now we have to solve this. This is our equation which we have to solve by the same procedure. By the cross multiplication, 4 will be multiplied by 5x plus 4 and 3 with 7x plus 4. This is 20x plus 16, 21x plus 12. Now 21x minus 20x, and this side 16 minus 12, 4x. The value of x is 4. Now we'll find out the ages. Hari's present age, we have assumed here 5x. That is 5 into 4 means 20 years, and Harry's present age, that we have assumed 7x, 28 years. So this is our solution. Present age of Hari 20 years and present age of Harry, that is 28 years. Now question number 7. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. If the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3 by 2. Find the rational number. So same way we'll assume, let numerator of a rational number. We'll assume the numerator, that is x, denominator is greater than the numerator. So we'll now denominator will be x plus 18. This is numerator and this is denominator. Now rational number will be x upon x plus 18. Now according to question, it's given कि if numerator is increased by 17, x plus 17, and denominator, sorry, this is 8, not 18, 8 time 8 plus 8 minus 1, this is our denominator, x plus 8 decreased by 1, then the result is 3 by 2, means x plus 17 upon x plus 7 is equals to 3 by 2. So from here we'll get the value. Cross multiplication we have to do. X plus 17, 3 will be multiplied by x plus 7. 2x plus 34, 20, this is 3x plus 21. Now 3x minus 2x, and this is 34 minus 21. So x is equals to 13. X is the value of our numerator. Denominator we have to find out. So our numerator is 13 and denominator we have to find out, that is x plus 8, means 13 plus 8, 21. Now the fraction will be, or the rational number will be 13 upon 21. So this is our solution. So you have to complete this exercise. Thank you and have a nice day.